we got a 2007 Honda CRV. Okay, so we see the check engine light is flashing. So I got a P0304, right? Current is generic, and we also have it pending, right? So we got a misfire in cylinder number 4. So it look like they got some fresh coils on. You see that injector pulse falling out, which is the green waveform. Okay, so every time I touch number 4 like this, it start back to work. Okay, so I was able to replace this jack. We do have the P0304 code still. Let's erase it. Press OK. Engine off. Let's start it up. The green is the injector, so that's letting me know that everything is good, right? We do have injector command. Okay, so we're going to definitely call that a fix. So until next time, y'all take it easy.